How do licensing rights impact streaming services like Netflix and Hulu? In today's fast-paced digital world, the question of how licensing rights influence streaming services like Netflix and Hulu is more relevant than ever. With recent developments in the entertainment industry, many viewers are curious about how these rights shape the content they enjoy. Earlier this week, discussions around licensing agreements intensified, prompting viewers to seek clarity on this important topic. Licensing rights are essential for streaming services to provide a wide array of movies and television shows. These rights allow platforms to legally offer content to subscribers. When Netflix or Hulu wants to stream a popular series, they must negotiate with the content owners, such as studios or producers. This process can be complex and time-consuming, often resulting in significant costs. For example, when Netflix enters a new market, it often purchases licensing rights to popular shows that may have been downloaded illegally in that region. This strategy helps them build a robust library of content that appeals to local audiences. However, the legal framework surrounding these rights is not uniform. It varies by location, and recent rulings, like the one from the Colorado Court of Appeals, have highlighted how digital services can be subject to state sales tax. Moreover, licensing agreements typically involve copyright and royalty payments. Content creators receive royalties based on these agreements, which can be affected by the rise of artificial intelligence in content creation. This has sparked debates about fair compensation and copyright infringement, making it a hot topic in the industry. Licensing agreements can also be exclusive or non-exclusive. Exclusive agreements give a streaming service sole rights to a piece of content, often leading to higher fees. On the other hand, non-exclusive agreements allow multiple platforms to stream the same content. This can lead to wider distribution but may result in lower fees for the content owners. The impact of licensing rights is evident in the content available on streaming platforms. If a service cannot secure the necessary rights, it may not be able to offer certain shows or movies. This limitation can affect user satisfaction and subscription rates, as viewers may leave for platforms that provide more of their desired content. In summary, licensing rights are a fundamental aspect of how streaming services operate. They shape the content offerings and influence the overall business models of platforms like Netflix and Hulu. With the legal and financial landscape continuously evolving, understanding these rights is essential for both consumers and industry stakeholders.